Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone setting guys. In this video guys, I will show you guys how can you connect your Bluetooth speaker to your Samsung phone guys. Guys, you want to connect guys any Bluetooth speaker, so as you can connect with your Samsung phone guys. In this video guys, I will show you guys how can you connect it. So guys, now let's see how to connect Bluetooth speaker with our Samsung phone device. So first of all guys, we will have to on guys our phone settings. So guys, we will click here. Then guys, you can see guys your first setting connections, guys tap here and guys click on your Bluetooth setting, and guys on your Bluetooth guys you can on and off from here. Friends, after on setting guys you can see this type of network. So guys, first of all guys you can see guys your Bluetooth speakers. So guys we will on it. So this button guys we will press it, and guys you can see guys your Bluetooth option button. Then guys we will have to press on guys Bluetooth button. So with this it will on it, and guys refresh your phone guys. Guys wait for some seconds, like few seconds, 4 and 5 seconds. So friends, you can see guys your Bluetooth network. So we will have to tap here to connect it. So I will tap here. Then guys you can see this notification. So I tap here to connect. Then it will connect to your phone. Guys you can see connected for calls and mid audio. So you can use it. So I hope friends have understood how to connect Bluetooth speaker to our Samsung phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Guys, now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye my friends.